Here I have VERNEE Mix 2, and today I'm going to show you how to clear browsing data on this device. So firstly, you have to open browser which you normally use, which everyone normally use. Then tap here, go to history, then tap clear browsing data. Then you have to select the time range for which you want to delete your history. It could be last hour, last day, last week, last month, or all time. Then you have to select the data formats which you want to clear. It could be browsing history, cookies and site data, cached images and files. And then tap clear data, and history will be cleared. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.